Lisa. I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be talking about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to a specific person or thing. Yesterday we talked about reflexive pronouns, which were very specific and always ended in self, like himself, herself. These pronouns are not specific, and they're words like everyone, everything, everybody, anybody, nobody, no one, few, many. It's all about more of a collective. They can be singular or they can be plural. Let's look at some examples. If we say most, that's plural. Most people would indicate more than one. Whereas if we're saying something like no one, that's going to be singular because we're referring to pretty much one person. So let's look at some example sentences and see if we can fill in the blank with the correct answer. All right, nobody knew the answer to the riddle. Can you find the indefinite pronoun in that sentence? All right, if you thought nobody was the indefinite pronoun, you would be correct. Next sentence, everyone was surprised by the news. What do you think? All right, if you said everyone, you would be correct. Now in these three sentences, we're going to choose between A, B, or C. What would be the best answer to fill in the blank? Blank will tell you the details later. Someone will tell you the details later. Anybody will tell you the details later. No one will tell you the details later. What do you think? All right, if you chose A, you would be correct. Someone will tell you the details later. For the next one, blank is going to help with decorations. Anything is going to help with decorations. Everyone will help with decorations. Someone will help with decorations. All right, if you said everyone, you'd be correct. And finally, blank needs to bring their textbook tomorrow. Anybody needs to bring their textbook tomorrow, somebody, or no one. If you said no one, you'd be correct. All right, guys, that is our lesson on indefinite pronouns. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one.